Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make Ethernet faster in Windows. So let's get started. So first of all, you gotta check the physical connection. Make sure the Ethernet cable is plugged in securely at both ends, such as PC and router or modem. Try another Ethernet port on the router if it's not working, or try a different Ethernet cable such as Cat5e or higher. Then you gotta enable the adapter. To do so, you gotta press Windows and R together. After that, you gotta type in ncpa.cpl and press enter. Then you gotta right click on the specific Ethernet cable you want and select enable if it is disabled. After that, you gotta head over to settings. And from the left hand side where you'll be able to see numerous options, you gotta click on network and internet. After that, you gotta scroll down and click on advanced network settings and search for network reset. Click on reset now, and then you gotta restart your PC. Then you can simply test the connection with another device to see if the router port is working, and make sure the router's LAN port is enabled in the settings. So that was basically how you can make Ethernet faster in Windows 11. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.